Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz A220 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Got red accent stitching throughout the vehicle as well. Heated seats. Another look at that accent stitching, door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Take a look at our rear seats next. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Around the back, we've got our A220 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 3,547. Do have a push button ignition. And here's our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. Radio. Can adjust the ambient lighting here throughout the vehicle. Backup camera. And our climate control down below here. And then we have command module here also for making adjustments on the display. And the shifter. Now if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.